Problem 4, determine the number of elements in the indicated set. So the number in my universal set, 60. The number in set A is 26. Number in B is 21. Number in the intersection is 5. We want to know how many are in the complement of the union of A and B. A couple different ways you could approach this. I'll show 3 different ways. First, let's use the inclusion-exclusion principle. Let's use the number of elements in the union formula. If you remember, the number of elements in A union B, that's the number in A plus the number in B minus the overlap, the numbers that you double counted, the numbers in the intersection. So if I want the number in the union, A or B, I take A plus B minus the intersection. So let's just use the formula first and see what happens. I don't know the number in the union, but I know A has 26 elements. I know B has 21 elements. And I know the intersection of A and B has 5 elements. I just got that from the prompt, right? So doing the arithmetic here, that's 47 minus 5 is 42. So the number in A or B, A union B, is 42. But that's not what we're asked to find. We are asked to find the number in A union B complement. A union B has 42. How many are not in A union B? How many are not in A or B? My universal set has 60. That's all of the elements in the sample space, you can say, or in this entire problem that we can consider. There's 60 elements we can consider. 42 of them are in A or B, or both. That means 18 of them are in neither A nor B. Now I can also set this up as a Venn diagram. Oh, that's an ugly rectangle. Excuse me. Alright. So here we have set A, set B. My universal set has 60 elements in it. Always start with the intersection when you're working with these Venn diagrams. The intersection of A and B has 5 elements in it. There you go. B has 21. Here's B. There's B. B has 21 elements. There are 5 elements in B already. 21 minus 5 is 16. And if you add these up, you can see I have 21 elements in B. A has 26. 26 in A. I have 5 in A already. That's also in B, but I have 5 in A already. 26 minus 5, 21. So if you add up all these elements in the A circle, you'll see there's 26 in there. So, let's see, 21 and 5, that's 26, and 16, that's 42. So that means there should be 18 out here, since 42 plus 18 is 60. So if I'm trying to find A union B complement, here's A union B. That's everything in either of these 2 circles, including the intersection. That's A union B. Everything outside of that, 18. 18 is still our answer. Let's say you said, I don't like unions. Let's say I like intersections. So I'm going to use the Morgan's law and distribute. A complement, intersect, B complement, using De Morgan's, right? So how many are in the intersection of what's not in A and what's not in B? That's still out here. Everything that's not in A and at the same time not in B. That's still just outside both circles. So that's still our 18. No matter how you think about it, you should get 18. That's the answer.